Hey guys, it's Awsomeswagg80 here with Kermit. Kermit, okay? Fucking gay shit. Get out of here. Yeah, as I was saying, we have Kermit here today. He's never been on the show ever in his life. He's a special guest of honor, and today he's gonna help me review the McDonald's food. How much soda do I have left? It's not that much. It's halfway. Want some? Yeah, take it all in. That's what she said. We're gonna put this shit over here, and gonna put that shit over there. Actually, we're gonna need that to put our ketchup in. Okay. Now we got our 10-piece chicken McNuggets, right? I just gotta get some ketchup. Okay, so we have a fry here. We got 2 ketchups. I think that's enough. What you think, Kermit? I think you're pretty fucking gay. You know what? You ain't getting any fries. Or chicken. Or soda. Fucking bitch. Disrespectful. That's not how I taught you. Okay, so let's get the ketchup. Open it. Place it down. Spicy, no? Okay, I'm gonna put it back in here, along with all its other brothers and sisters that died. Fucking ass. Did you hear my new ass game? It's called Ass Animal Super Squad. It's coming out on every console. May 25th, 1984. Okay, we're gonna get some more ketchup. Want some ketchup, Kermit? There, take it all in.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Okay, Kermit, you got enough ketchup. That's too much, okay? Now we're gonna open our 10-piece chicken McNuggets. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. They gave some free ketchup. Here, want some? No. I'm not gonna give you any. I told you. Fucking prostitutes. Look at all those 10-piece chicken McNuggets. Spicy. Fun fact about me, I actually don't like spicy stuff. Yeah, as you can see, I'm Caucasian, and I don't like spicy stuff, so that's really homosexual, but okay. Let's just review the food, okay? That's what food review is all about. Do I actually have no chicken nuggets? No, I don't. Oh, fuck. I thought I actually had some. I mean, these are the chicken nuggets. What you mean? So yeah, that's it. The fries, chicken nuggets are pretty good. Crunchy in all the right places. Soft in all the other places. And over here, the fries, they are really good. They have They have a lot of salt, you know. Come and get your gay ass piece of shit out of here. And yeah, so pretty much it. Give it a 6.2 out of 10. You may be saying 6.2, but why 6.2 out of 10? McDonald's is the best food ever. Well, that's because I forgot to drink the world famous soda. Don't you want to be in my new series, Shit Stick Adventures? Yes, I would. That's very cool. We got our second actor, aside from Kermit over there. You should be. You look like a villain type guy. Should you be like a henchman of the villain, or should you actually be the main villain? I'd say you should be the main. No. The main villain is that fucking monkey over there. You'd be the henchman. You'd be the. You'd be the henchman. Won't you look at that? Chameleon Jones came out of the dead. Came back from the dead. Hey, Chameleon Jones, how you feeling? You fucking left me to die in that fucking piece of shit place, man. What fucking piece of shit place? Your heart. Oh. Oh. That hurt my soul. Oh. I'm sorry, Chameleon Jones. Here you go. Here. I'll give you some fries. Here you go. Actually, you want some ketchup, don't you? Take it all in. Autofocus. There we go. Autofocus. What the fuck is wrong with you? There we go. Here you go. Take it all in. There you go. You want some more? Here you go. Yeah. I'm sorry, buddy. Just take it all in. You want some soda? Here have some soda. There you go, buddy. Take it all in. There you go. I'm sorry I ever did this to you, buddy. You know I only wanted to do this for your own good. I loved you. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We just got some new characters here. So this is it for food review. I tasted everything. I give this all a 10 out of 10 because McDonald's is the best place to get diabetes and high cholesterol. And to get your children raped at the McPlay place. I've been there a few times and my ass is wider than a toothpick. That makes no sense, but... nothing makes sense with me. So yeah, this is it for today's food review. Hope you like it. Leave a thumbs up. Subscribe. Smash your grandma. Hit women. Rape men. Kill gays. Abuse lesbians. Chop down every tree in the flipping world and make it into paper mache. You know what? Why don't we just Take all their shit and all their trash, just put it in the water, you know. Just make that trash island the size of Australia bigger, you know. Like, why don't we just do that? Just end ourselves right now. Actually, you know, I'll just end myself right now. Before I go.